Welcome back to the Ford Shopyard, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ryan, and today we're going to be looking at White Lightning, my 1997 Ford Expedition XLT. Now, today it's going to be a shorter video, but I'm going to tell you and explain to you when you need to replace your tires and get new ones. Okay, so if you see the two front tires on my white truck here, they still have, I would say, at least half their tread left. You can see a good chunk of tread left. But then if you look close, say about right there, you see all those big cracks? They are shot. These tires are 20 years old, and they are just shot, even though they still have half their life, tread life in them. So, if your tires are if you don't drive much and your tires are still got a lot of tread on them, but they're cracked like that, replace them sooner than later. Like if you go on a big trip or you know, if you anything like that, just go ahead and replace them sooner than later, because you don't want to have a blowout going 80 miles an hour. You will die. Now, like I said, it's better if they're cracked and old and worn out. Even though they got a lot of tread, replace them. Keep yourself and your family safe if you're going on a big trip. As you can see, the two front tires here on White Lightning have not been changed, because I got to get them changed soon. This ain't even on the road, so it's no big deal. But come over here, I put two brand new Firestone Destination LE3s on the back here. Cost me $300. You can see the tread. As you can see, the tread, brand new. Still got blue writing on them. You really can't see in the camera. Still got blue writing on them. Brand new, $300 for two of them. So there's $150 a piece. Again, same on the driver's side. Brand new two tires. I still got to get two for the front. But that'll be coming soon. This has been Ryan with the Ford Shopyard. Like I said, this will be a shorter video today, but just want to kind of keep everybody updated on what's going on. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Ford Shopyard. Thank you, guys.